Introducing a revolution, idDAS, the future of in-building wireless coverage. Over 80% of mobile phone communication occurs indoors. Users demand capacity wherever and whenever they want it. Traditional DAS and in-building products have helped ensure that mobile operators' networks are seamlessly channeled inside buildings. Base stations are connected to a DAS and subsequently filtered, amplified and redistributed around a building. However, a limiting factor is that base station capacity has to be hardwired to particular areas. And with mobile traffic now dominated by data that is bursty and sporadic, the problem is exacerbated. This results in operators having to design maximum capacity into their networks, even if it won't be needed most of the time. That increases cost for mobile operators as they deploy underutilized base station resources, putting further strain on CapEx and OpEx budgets. There needs to be another way. Introducing a revolution, idDAS provides an exciting, new cost-effective way for mobile operators to handle the challenges of in-building coverage. idDAS allows the dynamic allocation of capacity, right-sizing it only for where and when it is required. idDAS allows the network to breathe. idDAS means capacity no longer needs to be hardwired, reducing both CapEx and ongoing OpEx costs. So how does it work and what are the benefits? That's best explained by analyzing two different scenarios. Many complex high-rise building facilities have multiple uses, including underground parking, a shopping centre, a hotel, business offices, and residential apartments. Mobile coverage for such buildings today is commonly provided by dedicated base stations, housed in a base station hotel within the facility itself, and connected to a DAS to propagate coverage around the building. By using Axel's new idDAS system, both coverage and capacity can be moved around the whole complex. For example, during the day, maximum capacity may be allocated to the offices and the hotel. However, in the evening, extra capacity may be rerouted to the shopping centre and residential apartments where demand has increased. Similarly, take a different scenario in a city, where a central base station hotel could be designed to feed multiple buildings, a hotel, a university, conference centre, and a stadium, for example. During the day, the university requires high capacity allocation for the students as they study. During peak periods at the hotel, a large chunk of the capacity could be switched to the hotel to serve its guests. During an exhibition or event, the majority of capacity could be sent to the conference centre, and during the evening, the capacity could be moved to the stadium so fans can upload photos while watching a concert. This dynamic allocation of capacity allows mobile operators to maximize base station resources by not having to hardwire them into particular locations, the resulting idle time and cost that occurs. Consequently, fewer base station resources are needed, saving valuable capital and operational cost. As a result, the system's signal-to-noise ratio is hugely improved, resulting in higher base station throughput and an enhanced end-user experience. idDAS incorporates a modular and flexible plug-and-play approach, supports multiple cable types, and includes full and simple support of MIMO capability. The system incorporates an embedded 1 gigabit IP backhaul capability, allowing the use of one common cabling system throughout for Wi-Fi or other IP traffic. Small cells can easily be incorporated into the system, either located in the central base station hotel or at a remote location serving a local capacity hotspot. The system supports all major European and US cellular wireless technologies and frequency bands. The system is controlled and operated from a central intelligent GUI interface that aids installation and commissioning through smart wizard setup tools and provides unique access rights for different types of users. idDAS provides mobile operators with a revolutionary and cost-effective way of tackling the ever-demanding needs of users. for uninterrupted in-building coverage.